Hello students, welcome to our classes. Today we are solving Alpha C Chiang books exercises, and this is chapter 7 which I am doing today. It is rules of differentiation and their uses in comparative statics. So differentiation plus comparative statics. So find the del y del x1 and del y del x is very easy. So 12x 11 you can. So dy dx1, dy dx2, anything you can do a basic derivative. So first one I'm just not doing, so it's a very simple derivative. Find fx and fy on the following. So this is also the same kind of stuff. So this is also partial derivative. So del f del x is 2x plus 5y. In the second part, this is a derivative associated with this. So denominator and numerator we can do it separately. Yeah. So now this denominator type will be, so denominator square, so will be basic structure here. So this derivative of the numerator, so with respect to x obviously 2 minus numerator derivative of the denominator, that is 1. Okay. So we can reach to this minus 2x plus 2x 2y minus 3y, so y by x plus y whole square. So these are basic derivatives. Next is you can do this also, just putting the values. So now from question 4 there is a little bit good thing is happening. So Q is this MPPK and MPPL. So marginal physical productivity of capital, so that is del Q by del K, that is 0.396 K to the power minus 0.7 L to the power 0.7. MPPL del Q del L, so 0.796 K to the power 0.3 L to the power minus 0.3. So this is the second part done. Okay. Question 5, in the utility function of the individual takes in the form where u is this, find the marginal utility of function of each and find the marginal utility of the first commodity when 3 units of each commodity is being purchased. So very similar. So u1 del u del x1, so 2 into x1 plus 2 x2 plus 3 cube. u2 is del u del x2 3 into x plus 2 whole square x2 plus 3 whole square. Okay, so this is the part, and in the second part, this is the a part. In the b part we have to put this value, so 3 comma 3. So u1 equal to 3 comma 3, so 2 3 plus 2 3 plus 3 whole cube, so 9 27, so this is 2160. So 5 is also done. Now let's go for question 6. Total money supply aim has two components, blank deposit and cash holdings. Okay, that's good. Next, okay, we have the constant value C plus D of C. The high powered money H is defined by the sum of the holdings and the public and the reserves. So express the money M in terms of the high powered money. So M equal to D plus C, or C equal to small c into D. So M equal to D plus C into D. So 1 plus C whole into D. So since H high powered money equal to C plus R, so this is C of D, R of D, so C plus R whole into D. So we can write D equal to H by C plus R. So this is by substituting, so we can have M equal to 1 plus C, C plus R whole into h. Okay, next part, would an increase in the reserve ratio lower the money supply? So this we need to do del m by del r, del m by del r. So minus 1 plus c into h and c plus r square. So this is negative, so if r lowers m. Next, how would an increase in the cash deposit ratio will affect the money supply? So this one will be DC, just insert a page. So this time it will be dm dc. So h into c plus r denominator, 1 plus c into h denominator square, c plus r square. So h into r minus 1 and c plus r square. This is negative, so increase in c also lowers m. So c rises, m falls. Next, the last question of this chapter, question number 7. So write down the gradients of the function. So gradient is nothing but you have to differentiate. Okay, let me just clear the page. So for gradient, grad f of xyz is nothing but, so this is the first derivative 2x, 3y square and 4z cube. Very similarly the other two part, this is yz, xz and xy. So grad of xyz also we can write it in this way. So this is the end of the chapter 7 exercise.